G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. Just discussing why the DJI Spark is still a great drone in 2009, and I'll give you 10 reasons why I think it's still a fantastic drone. Reason number one, it's small size, compact size. You can take it anywhere. It's great for travel. It's small. The only issue is you can't bend the legs, to sort of make it even smaller, but it's still 300 grams. It's very small, very lightweight, and it's great for travel. The second point is it's got a great range, 2 kilometre flight distance. Now obviously here in Australia you can only fly line of sight, so anywhere between 400 and 500 metres you start struggling to see the drone in the air, so I wouldn't recommend you go past say 400 or 500 metres. But it has the ability to go up to 2 kilometres, which I've never even gotten close to, but it's great because it gives you a fair distance, a fair range. It's number three, it's small size. People think it's a toy, so basically you launch it and people will see it in the sky and think, oh yeah, he's only got a little toy, it's not a real drone, and they're less likely to kick up a fuss about it. So because it's small, people tend to sort of not ignore it, but they think you're only flying a toy. They don't realise how good a drone it is. Number four, it takes great video. So basically any person, beginner, expert, can fly the drone and take good steady video footage, and actually the color of the footage and the quality of the footage, which is 1080 by 30 frames per second, is outstanding. It's actually a lot nicer than my GoPro that I'm actually recording at the moment in terms of color depth and quality. Okay, point number five, you have your hand gestures. So I don't use them personally, but basically you can control the drone while it's in the air through hand gestures, which is an amazing concept. To me it's a little bit gimmicky because I don't really want to, sort of, oh yeah, you go over here, you go over there, but each to their own, and it is a good quality to have in a drone. It's a good selling point. Okay, number six, you can land the drone anywhere. In terms, because it's small, you can land it anywhere. You can land it in your hand, you can land it basically on a box, on a landing pad. So because of its size, it's fantastic. You can actually land the drone anywhere as well as your hand, via hand gestures, or basically the way I land it is I lower it, and then as it's coming down into my hand, I just grab it like that, so with the two fingers. But that's the way I do it now. Everyone does it a bit different, but because it's small, it's easy to land. Number seven, you have a large amount of accessories and parts for these drones. You can buy battery clips, you can buy hand protectors, you can buy different guards for it, different pieces, gimbal protectors, pieces that go, different propellers, different parts. So there's a big range of parts for the DJI Spark. Now you get a lot of parts that are DJI official parts, but you can also get a lot of black market parts for it and accessories. Okay. Number eight, why I think this is a great drone is it comes from a great company, DJI, and a well-respected company, and you get a good sales and support from them. So it's obviously a better reason for people to buy a drone from DJI than say someone else, which I won't mention. So that's a good point to consider. Number nine, it has obstacle avoidance on the front. So for someone who's a beginner or who's flying and they're not too sure about the drone, if they're heading into a tree, the obstacle avoidance will stop the drone. Now on the bad side of that, it doesn't have rear facing or side or avoidance on other sort of areas. It's only the front, but at least that's something that you can get with the DJI Spark. Point number 10, I like the quick shots. So you have preset quick shots you can take, different cinematic sort of shots that you can take with the drone, which are fantastic. So someone who's beginning who wants to do a circle around an object can use a quick shot or a spiral or anything like that, and it makes it easier to control the drone rather than actually trying to do it with the joysticks. So I like that part of it. And now for the bonus, number 11. I know I said 10 reasons, but number 11 is basically it's the cheapest DJI drone available at the moment, excluding the Tello, which is made by someone else. It's not actually DJI. So basically it's the cheapest drone that you can buy, so because a lot of people don't have thousands of dollars to spend on a Phantom or a Mavic or a, you know, all the fancy new drones. So for $600-700 Australian, it's the cheapest drone, and it's pretty capable. And they're the reasons why I still love the drone in 2019. I wish DJI make a Spark 2 with 4K. It'll be even better, and hopefully with a 3-axis gimbal. But for 2019, this is a really good drone, and I still love it. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications, and post any comments below if you think this video is good or bad, or if you're indifferent, or if you have any questions, just hit me up with a comment below, and you enjoy your day. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.